So this morning I'm going to install on my GS Adventure pannier boxes the little vents. If you order a set from BMW, I will give you the part number later, but you get 3 in one set. So don't order 2 sets like I did. Just order 1 set and you'll get enough for the left and the right and the top box all in one kit. So last night I took a pencil and paper and I traced the outline of my vent on a piece of paper, and took a pencil, went around it, made all my little holes, the little pilot hole at the top and then the middle hole for the bolt. And I'm going to show you now how to drill those holes and install the vents so your panniers don't stick and get condensation on the inside on hot days. Here we go. So I found an object with a sharp point. I didn't have a nail or a punch this morning, so I'm going to first take a hammer and I'm going to put a punch mark on my pilot holes in the center so that I can drill my 3 holes. I'll just take a hammer and tap on it and make a place for the drill bit to start. So I put a very small bit in and I'm going to drill the top hole and then I'm going to drill the bottom hole. These are just vent holes, so use a very small bit. Don't make the holes too big. So then I chose a larger bit that is the same size as the screw, and I drilled the center hole. So center hole is the bigger hole. So then make sure you have a T25 Torx. The factory bolt that comes with it is a T25 Torx, and you just tighten it down and put the nuts on the inside. Then on the inside of the box, I took my file and I cleaned up the holes so there's no sharp edges on the inside of your box to cut anything. So then you just take 8mm wrench on the inside and your T25 on the outside, and just snug it tight. You don't have to torque it because it's just plastic, it'll crack. Make sure you snug it down tight and quit. And there you have a vent properly installed on the old style panniers for the BMW Adventure. And of course now I have the finished product with a vent on each side. A vent there, and evenly spaced off of the locks. It looks very factory. And on the inside of the box you have a couple vent holes on each side, which should help eliminate all your condensation issues and temperature change vacuum issues where you can't get the lids open. So Shiva's almost ready for the next trip.